Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching us how to make a YouTube banner by ourselves with our phone. So for this tutorial, we're making use of the Pinterest app and the Canva app, so you can download them on Play Store or App Store. Once you get your Pinterest app, open it and search for YouTube banner template. Okay, just open your your Pinterest. Once you've downloaded it from your App Store or Play Store, you type in YouTube banner templates, just like I have done here. Okay, so once you type in that, it's going to bring out series of templates for YouTube banner, but we are looking for the one that has more details. So once we see the right one, we go ahead and download, then we go to the Canva app. So once you're on the Canva app, you want to open, then search for YouTube banner. Alright, so once you type in YouTube banner, it's going to create a new page that you're going to work with. So once you're on the new page, you want to import the image you downloaded, fit it to fit the screen, then you crop it to the middle part, just like I'm doing. You're just working with that alone. So you go ahead and look for the options down there, like you see me doing. Scroll through those things down. You want to lock that middle part so it doesn't move when you work on that part. So now you go into element, search for shapes, then you pick the box one or the square one. You fit it on that extreme end, whether to the left or to the right, then you drag it on to fit the rectangular shape you locked in, just like I am doing right here. You want to be very careful so it doesn't go beyond that rectangular shape, or it's not shorter or smaller than the rectangular shape. So we are working exactly with that size. All right, so once you perfected that, you want to go to the color, pick whatever color suits you, or whatever color you feel like is okay for your channel. So once you pick the color you want, it shows there, then you go back to elements, type in frames. We'll be using frames to insert our pictures if you want your picture on your banner. So you go ahead to pick whatever shape you choose. I picked the circular one. You can go ahead to pick whether the square or the rectangle, but you want to resize this so it fits that rectangular box. You don't want it to exceed or too small. All right, so once you reshape it, you can fix it on the left, on the right, or at the center, whichever way you feel like. Once you're done, you go back to your camera, import the image you want to use, then you drag so it fits into the box or the frame you just fixed on that rectangular shape. So once you're done with that, you want to put in your channel name. All right, you go to text, you pick the font you want, type in your channel name. After doing that, you want to change the font to whatever one you please or whatever one pleases you. So you go ahead, there are lots of fonts to pick from. You can also change the size of the text, just like I am doing here. I'm just changing the size of the text, not too big, not too small, just visible enough for people to see. All right, then you can change the color if you want. So now we want to add what our channel is about, probably sewing or fashion or lifestyle. You go ahead to text again, put in a subheading, then edit it to what your channel is about. All right, so for this channel it's about fashion and sewing, so I'm just going to go ahead to type that. So you can also go ahead to change the fonts to whatever pleases you, whatever font you choose. Go ahead, you can reduce the size, increase the size, but you don't want it to overshadow the channel name. All right, so once you're done with that, you want to place it in a proper way, so just go ahead to play around with it. Whatever works well with you or works well for you, go ahead to do that. So after doing that, you might want to add in your social media handles, your Instagram name, your TikTok name, whatever thing you want to add. But for this person, she doesn't want her Instagram name added, so I'm just going to go ahead to put in the subscribe button. So you can also do this if you want, just do anything you please, your Instagram name, whatever. But for me, I'm just going to put the subscribe thing on. So once you're done with all of that, you want to go back to camera, import that image you downloaded from Pinterest. You fit it to fit the whole page. We want to check if what we just designed is not out of the box, if it fits correctly in the box. So if you check the box very well, you see there's a line at that rectangular side where that my tailor-made tips are. There's a line there cutting through the right hand side and the left hand side. Whatever we design must fit into that box where that line is. It shouldn't exceed, else it's not going to show on a mobile phone. Okay, so that's what I'm just trying to do here. So you can see I'm trying to increase and reduce the transparency to be sure that what I designed is showing on there. All right, so you just want to do this also, so to be sure that your design is not exceeding. So it would show on a mobile phone. You can go ahead to change the color of the background, all right, to whatever you like if you want to change the background. But for me, I left mine like this, and I also went ahead to add some little touch-ups on the design, which was why you saw some stars on there. And when you're done, go ahead and download, and there you have it. Your banner is ready. So if you like my video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.